Welcome to this life-changing video. If you have ever opened your mouth to speak English, but felt your brain freeze, if you have ever known the answer, but could not say it fast enough, if you have ever thought in your own language first, then tried to find the English words, and by the time the words came, the moment was already gone, then this video is not just for you. It is meant for you. Because today, you are going to learn exactly how to stop translating and start thinking directly in English. This is not just another English tip video. This is a complete system that will rewire the way your brain works, starting today. As you listen to this video, you are already improving your English, every sentence, every word, every pause. So stay with me until the end, because if you truly apply what I share today, you will never feel stuck in English again. Let us begin. Step 1. Understand why you translate. Before you can stop translating, you need to understand why you do it. Most people think translation is normal. They say, "This is just how my brain works." But here is the truth. You were not born translating. You learned to translate. Think about this carefully. When you were a small child, learning your very first words, did you translate? No. You just listened. You heard a sound. You connected it to a feeling, to a face, to an object. You did not think, "What is the word for this in another language?" You simply pointed and learned. That is how every language is naturally learned. But somewhere, in school, in grammar books, in classrooms, you were taught to translate, word by word, sentence by sentence, and now your brain has built a wall between your thoughts and your English. The good news? Walls can come down. Habits can change. And today, that is exactly what we will do together. Step 2. Stop learning words. Start feeling them. Here is the biggest mistake most English learners make. They open a dictionary. They find a word. They write the meaning. They close the book. And tomorrow, the word is gone. Why? Because the word never lived inside them. It was just a label. Just a definition, not a feeling. Here is what I want you to do instead. When you learn a new English word, do not just read the meaning, feel the word. The word, lonely. Do not just memorize the definition. Instead, close your eyes. Remember a quiet evening, sitting alone, no sound, no one around, a heavy, empty feeling. That feeling is lonely. Now the word is not just a word. It is a memory. It is an experience, and it is yours forever. Your brain does not remember labels. Your brain remembers feelings. So stop giving your brain definitions. Start giving it experiences. Step 3. Think in pictures, not in words. Here is a powerful secret about fluent speakers. When a fluent English speaker sees a chair, they do not think chair. They just see it. The word and the object are the same. No translation, no thinking, just instant connection. That is real fluency. Not speaking fast, not using difficult words. Fluency means the word and the meaning are directly connected, without any translation in the middle. So how do you build this connection? It is simple. Look at the objects around you and say their English name directly. Not, "What is the English word for this?" Just say it. Chair, table, window, door, cup. Look at it, say it, feel it. Move on. Do this every single day, in your room, in your kitchen, at work. Make your world English, and slowly your brain will stop translating and start seeing directly in English. Step 4. Talk to yourself in English always. This is the most powerful step in this entire video, and also the most uncomfortable one. Most English learners are afraid to speak, even when they are completely alone. But here is the truth. The only way to become fluent is to create a constant flow of English inside your own mind. And the easiest way to start? Talk to yourself. Every morning, before you check your phone, just describe what you see around you. I am in my room. The window is open. It is a quiet morning. The light is soft. While eating, describe your food. This is warm. It tastes good. I am hungry. While walking, notice your world. The street is busy today. There are many people. The sky is clear. It sounds simple, but this one habit can change everything. Because now your mind is no longer defaulting to your first language. English becomes the default. And when English becomes your default, translation disappears. Step 5. Make mistakes on purpose. Here is something that no one tells you. The fear of making mistakes is the single biggest wall between you and fluency. Most learners wait. They think, when my English is perfect, then I will speak. But that day never comes, because perfection does not come from waiting. It comes from doing. Think about a small child learning to walk. Did that child wait until walking was perfect? No. The child fell, got up, fell again, laughed, tried again, and one day walked. Your English journey is exactly the same. Make mistakes out loud, correct yourself calmly, and keep moving forward. Because every single mistake is not a failure, it is a lesson. And every lesson brings you one step closer to the English speaker you want to become. Step 6. Build your English environment. Here is a hard truth. If everything around you is in your first language, your brain will keep thinking in your first language. But if you slowly surround yourself with English, your brain will begin to think in English. It really is that simple. So, change your environment. Change your phone settings to English. Watch your favorite shows with English subtitles. Listen to English podcasts on your way to work. Read just one page of English every single day. You do not need to move to another country. You do not need expensive classes. You just need to surround yourself with English, consistently, daily, without stopping. Because the language you hear the most is the language your brain will begin to think in. Step 7. Be patient with your brain. This is the final step, and perhaps the most important one of all. Training your brain to think in a new language is not easy. It takes time. It takes patience. It takes consistent daily effort. But it is possible for every single person, including you. Do not compare your journey to anyone else. Do not feel ashamed of where you are today. Every great English speaker in the world started exactly where you are standing right now. Confused, slow, translating every word. But they did not give up. And that is the only real difference between someone who speaks English fluently today and someone who is still waiting to start. One of them started. One of them kept going. So right now, I want you to make one decision. Not tomorrow, not when you feel ready, right now. Decide that starting today, you will begin to think in English, even if it is just one sentence, even if it is just one word. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. Because your brain is far more powerful than you believe. It just needs one thing: a chance. Give it that chance, starting today. If this video helped you, please subscribe to English Learning Booster. Share it with one friend who needs it. Because sometimes, one video, one decision, one small step can change everything. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.